Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll talk about the species of the Nautolan. This video will contain a lot of legends, but mostly what I think should still be canon. The Nautolans lived on the planet Glian-Selm. Glian-Selm was a planet that was mostly filled with oceans, but had some mountains, jungles, and grassy fields. They also shared the planet with the Anselmi, and they lived on the lands of the planet. The Nautolans lived on what are basically the backs of massive turtles called yampasses. They had 6 legs and were 2,310 meters long. Also, the Nautolans would build their villages on the backs of the yampasses. Every couple of centuries, the turtles would alternate between going above and below the ocean level. This meant that entire generations of the Nautolans would either be born above or below water. They were designated as sentient and classified as amphibian. They stood an average of 1.8 meters, had smooth green, blue, purple, or brown skin, and large black or dark maroon eyes. An egg-laying species, Nautolans would emerge from their eggs as tadpoles and then develop arms, legs, and head tails during their second year of life. Roughly the same size as a human infant, during this time their limbs were weak and unable to support their weight, forcing youthful Nautolans to remain aquatic in their environment for much of their childhood. They were capable of breathing underwater. However, unlike other water-based species, Nautolans did not experience difficulties out of water. The society developed by the Nautolans on Glian-Selm was centralized around local families and governments. The centralized government of Glian-Selm was comprised of representatives from the Council of Elders that governed each settlement. Elders were elected on merit and could be made up of youthful politicians as well as the most aged members of the society. A culture that promoted long life mates, Nautolan families were characterized by their loyalty between spouses and the equality of sexes in the household. While arranged marriages were still common in the early history, their practice had become uncommon during the Galactic Civil War. No cultural affinity for the Force ever developed on Glian-Selm, though members of the Nautolan species recognized its importance and respected those among them that were forceful. Nautolan language was also maximized for the use underwater, not fully pronounceable in gaseous atmosphere. Because of the loss of linguistic detail, most Nautolans chose to speak Anselmian or Galactic Basic when traveling off. Some of the most famous Nautolans were Kit Fisto and Zat, who were both in the Jedi Order. Now that is basically the most important things to know about Nautolans, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And always, may the Force be with you.